Put your backs into it, you ninnies! Dig! Every moment's delay seems an eternity. Of all the treasures I've ever coveted, this one is destined to be me own. The legendary golden hook. Its magic touch can turn anything into gold. Glorious glitter and glimmer and gleam and golden gold. What was that?
It'd be a buried treasure, Captain.
Mighty puny, if you ask me.
No one's asking. Bring it to me. Yes! The golden hook!
Careful, Captain. If you touch it, you'll be turned to gold.
That's not how it works, Smee. According to the legends, the magic won't begin until it is worn by its new owner. Me.
Oh, that's nice.
Behold, boys, you are about to witness the beginning of a new golden age. The legend never said anything about that. It works!
Oh, so pretty.
Bring me more things to turn into gold. Quickly! In glittering gold, everything is glorious. Glittering gold is everything I touch. My power, behold, makes any old thing glorious. There's gold everywhere I go. It will glimmer, shimmer, shine for me. A touch of me hook, it's fit for royalty. Cast away, washed ashore. A barrel, a bucket, a stinky old boot. It's gold galore. It's glittering gold. I'm the king of everything. Glittering gold is everything I see. What's that? It's gold. Bring everything to me. To fill my golden treasury.